Hello? I've told you if you're not paying 50k, stop calling my line. 50k or no deal. Okay. Yeah, confirmed. I'll be with you shortly.
Hey, what these things are doing? What if your guy find out?
How is he going to find out? Are you planning to tell him?
Ha!
I beg go. No go. I beg.
No. I'm not going to tell him.
No go put sand for my guy.
No. Just that, this thing you are doing, see, this guy is rich. He's rich and he provides everything for you. He pays all your bills. Why are you doing this
what
now?
What do you call him?
50,000.
Babe, be calming down. This guy is just a boyfriend, not my husband. Allow me to live my life. How much are they even paying you that your working place that I you don't hear word?
Hey.
It's becoming out of hand. How much are they paying you?
30,000 now.
What is 30k? What can 30k do for you? Do you know? Come make I find better clients. We go give you better money. You are collecting 30k. You are making noise. I beg, don't stress my life. Make I even go before you carry this your no nonsense talk full my head. They disturb my life. I beg, you will see later.
Hello Joy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, yeah. And you?
I did fine. How your side?
Fine. I'm just tired of hunting for job in this. Do you know that I've been searching for work up to 2 weeks now? I've not seen any work.
Are you serious?
Nne, please, if you can help me with any work at all in your working place, even if it's 25k, 30k, I'm okay, just for the meantime. I'm tired of staying at home.
Anyway, no problem. I'll look into it. Oh? I'm going now, later. This life no balance, so. Hello, Joy. I will call you when I reach work.
No. not calling you for work matter now. When last did you hear from your friend? I mean your roommates.
Like 3 days now.
Have you tried calling her on phone?
Ha, that girl. I called her 5 times oh. You know that you know how she behaved now. I called her 5 times. The phone rang, all of a sudden switched off. But I know that's her way. She will come back home because she stays like 2 weeks, 3 weeks outside safe. That's her way, that's her life.
I'm afraid her video is all over the internet. Even someone posted the video on Facebook.
Ah! What happened?
Your roommate is naked running mad on the streets.
Hey! Are you serious? Hey! Chineke, look at this girl was happy. Who come after this?
Say you've watched the movie now, Che. You like it, Abby, or you subscribe. And please don't forget, we are in YouTube, Sky Entertainment Show, yes.
I've seen the movie. Like, comment, share, like, and also turn on your notification to always be updated.